If you think the world would be the same without Argentina, think again. Have you ever imagined what the world would look like if Argentina never existed? At first, it might seem like just another country missing from the map. But Argentina is one of the largest and most influential countries in South America, and its absence could change far more than you might expect. Let's start with geography. Argentina is the second largest country in South America, stretching from the subtropical north all the way to the icy landscapes of Patagonia. Without Argentina, the southern part of the continent would look completely different. The vast grasslands known as the Pampas are some of the most fertile lands on Earth. These lands produce huge amounts of beef, wheat, and soybeans that feed millions of people around the world. If Argentina never existed, global food production could look very different. Food prices might be higher, and many countries that rely on agricultural imports might struggle to meet demand. But Argentina's impact goes beyond agriculture. It also plays a major role in global culture, especially in sports. Argentina gave the world legendary football players like Lionel Messi and Diego Maradona. Without Argentina, the history of football would be completely different. Maradona's famous performance in the 1986 FIFA World Cup might never have happened, and Lionel Messi, widely considered one of the greatest football players of all time, would never have represented his nation on the global stage. The world of football would feel very different. But Argentina also plays an important role in science and exploration. In the far south, Argentina provides access to the frozen continent of Antarctica. Many scientific missions and research bases rely on southern ports and logistics from this region. Without Argentina, international research efforts in Antarctica might become more complicated. But perhaps the biggest change would be geopolitical. Argentina is a major political and economic power in South America. Without it, the balance of power in the region could shift dramatically. Countries like Brazil and Chile might dominate the continent even more. Trade routes, alliances, and regional organizations might evolve in completely different ways. And culturally, the world would lose one of its most unique identities. Argentina gave the world tango, one of the most famous dances ever created. Cities like Buenos Aires became global centers of art, music, and culture. Without Argentina, an entire cultural tradition might never have existed. So the real question is this: if Argentina never existed, would another nation rise to replace its influence? Or would the world lose one of South America's most important countries forever?